So Aditya Alva is the brother of Vivek Oberoi's wife. Aditya Alva has been on the run now for 41 days, since September the 4th. It is alleged that Aditya Alva's House of Life, which is a party venue in Bengaluru, was the place where several drug parties were held. Aditya Alva is accused number 6 in the Sandalwood drug case, and that is the reason why the police have just raided his brother-in-law Vivek Oberoi's residence in Mumbai.
Drug-fueled parties, VVIP attendees, and the former state minister's son and his plush party home at the center of it all. Aditya Alva, accused number 6 in the Sandalwood drug case, has been missing since 4th of September. Son of former minister Jivaraj Alva and Vivek Oberoi's brother-in-law. This after the arrest of top stars Ragini and Sanjana Galrani. The spotlight is now on Alva and his House of Life. Aditya's house near Hebbal, called House of Life, a high-profile party venue, spread over 4 acres near the Hebbal Lake with a 10,000 square feet house at its center. This was allegedly used by Aditya Alva to organize parties. Its website describes the venue as a hedonistic playground, a hotspot for Bengaluru's most well-heeled, fashionable tastemakers. The most talked about electronic music venue that hosts top-class world-renowned DJs. It would also host fashion shows, after parties, and a wide range of private parties. It is alleged that it was at these parties that top actors and celebrities would consume drugs.
Last night I was here, so just went home to fresh up and come back. So as soon my guy called me around 9:30, he said the CCP everybody is here. So just I came here. Ragini is a common friend of Mr. Aditya Alva. He got a lot of friends, and he's one of the such a humble person and respected person, and he's Superman. I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know what's happening here. He's not such a person. He have friends. That's it. Okay. You can't connect with each and others.
The Sandalwood drug scandal is only exploding. With 10 arrests already made, the question is how long before Aditya Alva is caught too? With Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
So we've already told you why Vivek Oberoi's residence in faraway Mumbai was raided, when it is Aditya Alva who the Bengaluru police is looking for. Like we've already told you, Aditya Alva is Vivek Oberoi's brother-in-law. Vivek Oberoi's wife, Priyanka's brother, is Aditya Alva. Let's tell you a little bit more about this. He's the son of ex-minister, the late and respected Jivaraj Alva. He's the brother-in-law of Bollywood actor Vivek Oberoi. Thus the raids in Vivek Oberoi's Mumbai residence. He's been absconding since the 4th of September. The police say that he used to organize weekend drug parties. Not India Today, the police is saying that. He's accused number 6 in the Sandalwood drug case, which has many celebrities, including Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani, already in jail at this time. I want to take you straight outside the residence of Vivek Oberoi in Juhu in Mumbai, where the raids were conducted today for about 2.5 hours. Saurabh Bhaktania is live with me. Saurabh, take us through what happened during the raids. The police were looking for Aditya Alva. What did they find and what's the next step?
Well, Shiv, this is a very serious case in the Kannada film industry. Remember, this was the same time when the Bollywood industry was under scanner. Till now in this Sandalwood drug case, around 12 people are already arrested. Aditya Alva is the 6th accused. Now, the CCB, the Central Crime Branch Police from the Karnataka police officials, they took a special permission. They suspected that Aditya Alva may be hiding in Mumbai at the residence of Vivek Oberoi's Juhu bungalow. Now, after taking the court's permission, a senior inspector, 2 senior inspector and 1 lady officer came to Juhu residence. They entered the house at around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. They conducted the search operation, but let me tell you, Shiv, Aditya Alva was nowhere to be found. Now, what they did later, the police officials started questioning the Oberoi family. As Aditya Alva was very close to the family members, therefore they started questioning them. The questioning took a very long time, and after 2.5 hours, they left. Now, the officials told us off the record that they did not find Aditya Alva, but they have got some piece of information, and therefore they are going to stay in Mumbai for some time. They will be contacting the senior officers in Karnataka, after which the future course of action will be taken. Back to you, Shiv.
Okay, Saurabh, thank you very much for getting us the latest on that. This is a story that has stretched on for over a month now, 41 days since Aditya Alva has been absconding and still no word on his whereabouts. And that is the intensity with which the progress of the probe is happening. They've gone and raided a Bollywood star's residence now in Mumbai. We'll keep a track of that story and get you the very latest.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.